The experts at Proteus Industries will now review pressure ratings, burst pressure versus operating pressure, to ensure things don't go boom. Operating pressure is typically defined as safe for a lifetime. Burst pressure is typically defined when things break. This table compares various Proteus products with their burst pressure ratios. We'll review this table in more detail once we learn about burst pressure ratios. The burst pressure ratio is defined as a rating for safe use. We'll use 5 to 1 as the example here, where the burst pressure is 1250 psi, and this means 250 psi is the safe operating pressure. Burst pressure ratios are defined to take into account impulse pressures, material aging, and temperature. Although they vary from industry to industry, semiconductor is 5 to 1, piping is 10 to 1, and the international movement is towards 10 to 1. Let's review the table again using burst pressure ratio of 5 to 1, the PV 6000 and 7000 being derated from their maximum operating pressure to 35 psi. The Huba pressure sensor is 50 psi. This derating is significant considering US residential and typical fab facility water is around 100 psi. You have learned that burst pressure ratios are ratings for safe use, and typically 5 to 1 will cover impulse pressures, material aging, and temperature effects. I've also learned that using a burst pressure ratio of 5 to 1, that Proteus products have widely varying pressure ratings. Knowing that there are differences in the pressure ratings of different products will help customers select the correct product as well as help us troubleshoot any products that have been broken. Proteus experts serve their customers well.